Okay, let's go over some of the supplies that you already have from the school. Now, with the mixed media project, you can use pretty much anything. So here's the decorative paper. We have the watercolors we have previously used. There are also the bag that we have of oil pastels. You have a random 2 colors. The drawing kit from early on that also has charcoal in there. You also have in this bag a sharpener, regular pencil, so that's like a number 2 pencil, and you should also have your colored pencils, as well as a glue stick and your pen. And also, don't forget the eraser. Today, after you sign up for a theme, I want you to complete this brainstorming activity. You're going to write your theme in the middle, and then go ahead and map out a few different ideas around that theme. Now, the theme I ended up picking was family. That was my focus, and now I want to think about different ways to interpret this theme. The first one I thought of was Evie, my daughter, thinking about her school, her learning, her gear. Then I also wanted to think about maybe how I grew up. Maybe it's family like in Apex, maybe it's the home, and that's what I'm thinking of, like the house I grew up in. Maybe it's my mom and what she's taught me. Maybe my dad, he used to have dress up as Santa, and he has the most terrible jokes, so maybe I could include some of those in there. Or I could focus on who, like friends and family, and thinking about who I consider my family. Or I could focus on my history, where my family's from, any locations, travel, things like that. So you are not limited to just one thing about family, push yourself out in different directions. I ended up settling on drawing my daughter because I knew I had some reference images and something that I was a little inspired by. And I went ahead and printed some of those reference pictures off. So having those reference pictures, I started brainstorming. So this is my way of sketching out my ideas, getting it down paper, and it's okay if it changes. I'm doing a thumbnail sketch. Well, these are a little bigger than a thumbnail sketch. But you can see how I'm looking at reference images, thinking about my layout and what I might do. It's okay to change my mind. I'm just blocking things in generally. Just like this one, I'm planning 2 different ones. You really only have to complete one, but sketching them out is very helpful to kind of figure out which one is going to be your focus. And definitely use those reference images while you're sketching your ideas. Okay, let's look at what to complete today. So number 1, you're going to sign up for your theme in the Google Doc in the classroom. Then you are going to do some brainstorming with your theme. And then 3rd, you are going to sketch out your ideas. So these are compositional sketches, and to figure out exactly where everything is going to lay out. You've got this.